All right, a quick update on LCX here. So LCX, looking on the 6-hour chart here, we're gonna look at the larger time frame in just a moment. But you can see every time LCX pumped, it went sideways for a while, pumped, went sideways for a while, pumped, and now we're going sideways once again. So there's nothing really on the chart that I see that tells us what it's gonna do here. Like I've said a million times, I do not have a crystal ball. All we can go is by support, resistance, market structure. And if you guys remember, we were looking at LCX back here below the point 0.5 at 14. And then once we broke that multi-year resistance at 14 over that point 0.5 from the high to the low, you can see she did end up taking off. And we did mention that. So as of right now, I'm not trying to say I called it or anything. I'm just saying. But as of right now, we're sitting on the 27-cent support here that I pointed out a couple of updates ago, and this is where we're going sideways at on the much smaller time frames, of course. So you could say that if you look at the big picture, that this was your accumulation, your mark up, and now we are in the distribution phase, which is going to go sideways for a while and then it's going to fall off the table. But keep in mind, we are in a bull market, so I would think that things are going to go sideways and up from here on out. But looking at LCX and just keeping it real simple here, as long as you stay above 27 cents, she is extremely bullish in my eyes, and the next price to beat is the 786 here at 34. So as long as you hold 27, then you have a real good shot at coming up here to 34.7, a 23% move, and then breaking through that and coming back up here to the high. And you can see 138% move up to about 68 cents here. But you can also notice this does kind of look like a top formation forming, to where you have a wick and then a couple of more wicks and then it just comes back down. So 27 is your key to watch. If you take out 27, which it may very well do, you're looking to come back here and back test the 618 at 20 cents for support and potentially going to drop 24%. So there's a good chance, in my opinion, that you're about to drop 24% to backtest at 618 if you take out 27. But as long as you stay up here at 27, there's a chance to break out and break through 34.7 here. That's really all I can say. Off of this strong move up, we can see that the momentum is clearly up on the stock RSI, on the candles. Now, if we go over to the Heikin-Ashi candles here on the weekly chart, you can see they are still printing green. Even though this one is a little bit smaller, but it is still trending up. So until these turn red, the trend up on LCX is pretty strong. But do notice if we go down to the smaller time frames here, they are red. So there is a good chance, like I said, from what the chart looks like and what it's kind of telling me here, is there's a good chance that you're about to drop and retest that 618 for support here. So just letting you guys know, there's really nothing to talk about. We say the same thing for LCX every update, so I just wanted to kind of get into it a little bit better. It looks like a top here, and it looks like it wants to come back down. So hopefully you guys made some money. Hopefully you take some profit, and maybe load back up at 20 cents down here at the 618. But it could hold 27 and go to the moon from here. I do not know. So with that said, not financial advice. Good luck. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.